Hello dear students, in the last lecture of microbiology part first we have already started with the ICTV nomenclature system, in which we have studied what is ICTV, that is International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Then what are the objectives of ICTV, what are the principles of classification and nomenclature of viruses, and some of the general rules of classification and nomenclature of viruses we have already seen. In this session we are going to study the rules about naming the viruses up to species level. Okay, the names given to any particular taxa or the viruses should be a valid name which are given to that newly identified species depending on the codes or the rules set by the ICTV. किसी भी वायरस को अगर हमें नेमिंग करना है, दैट वैलिड नेम शुड बी गिवन, और वो नाम देते वक्त हमें पूरे गाइडलाइंस और रूल्स फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं जो भी ICTV ने सेट करके दिया है. देन द सेकेंड रूल इज द एग्जिस्टिंग नेम ऑफ टैक्सा शैल बी रिटेन व्हेनेवर फिजिबल. अगर किसी वायरस को नाम दिया गया है, दैट एग्जिस्टिंग नेम can be used whenever it is feasible. The rule of priority in naming taxa shall not be observed. मतलब किसी भी न्यूली आइडेंटिफाइड वायरस को अगर हमें नेमिंग करना है, then the rule of priority it indicates that जो भी पर्सन ने उसे आइडेंटिफाई किया है या फिर जिस भी एरिया में वो आइडेंटिफाई हुआ है या फिर किस कमेटी के अंडर आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो रहा है, दैट प्रायोरिटी शुड नॉट बी गिवन टू एनी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और प्लेस while giving the name to the viruses. Only the naming should be given depending on the characteristics of that viruses. किसी भी पर्सन का या फिर जगह को या फिर किसी भी और कंसिडरेशन को प्रायोरिटी देकर वायरस का नेमिंग नहीं किया जाता. In some cases or in few cases, any particular person name may be given to newly identified virus or taxon, but if that person is alive, then the ICTV checks whether that name of that person is appropriate or not. It is judged by the ICTV study group, then ICTV subcommittee, ICTV executive committee. All these members first they check whether that name of person is appropriate to the virus or not, and then they decide whether to approve or disapprove that particular name. In case any particular person is a committee member of ICTV, in his reference or in his memory the name to the virus is not given. A taxon may not be named wholly or in part after any current member of an ICTV study group or committee. कोई भी नाम होगा, कोई भी nomenclature, if the naming given to the virus, it should be easy to pronounce and remember. Generally, a difficult name which is hard to remember are not given to the viruses. While naming to virus, the different types of marks like punctuation marks, diacritical marks, ligatures, subscripts, superscripts, oblique marks, or non-Latin letters must not be given in the name of virus. वायरस के नाम में कोई भी पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स हो गए या फिर किसी भी टाइप का मार्क्स नहीं दिए जाते हैं. द वर्ड शुड बी completely Latinized. Numbers or hyphens may be allowed, but these numbers are added only to the species. They are not given to the genera, families or order. Only at the end of species these numbers or hyphens may be added to identify that particular virus. This name or new name given to the virus should not duplicate the approved names. मतलब किसी वायरस को नाम दिया गया है, वही नाम हम दूसरे वायरस को या फिर न्यूली आइडेंटिफाइड वायरस को नहीं दे सकते. दिस नेम शुड बी completely new and should not duplicate the pre-existing name of any particular viruses. So this was about the rules for naming of virus. Now there are some of the rules regarding the species of viruses. मतलब हम जब भी हायरार्किकल अरेंजमेंट करते हैं, the lowest division at the taxonomic level is our species, which we can define as a species is a monophyletic group. Now monophyletic group means a group of organisms which have the nearly similar characteristics. And these monophyletic group of viruses whose properties can be distinguished from those of other species by the multiple criterias. दूसरे स्पेसीज से हमारी जो स्पेसीज है वो किस तरह से डिफरेंट है, depending on these distinguished characteristics, some group of organisms are placed in single monophyletic group which is known as species, and depending on the species of virus, certain rules are set for the naming or nomenclature purpose. For example, how these names are constructed? The species name shall consist few words. उसमें से few words होने चाहिए. Which should contain the word virus. For example, herpes simplex. Herpes is a genus name, simplex is species, but species के नाम बाद उसे वायरस मेंशन करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसलिए हम जब भी उसे बोलाते हैं हम वी कॉल इट एज herpes simplex वायरस. मतलब स्पेसीज का जो भी इंडिकेशन होता है, जो भी नाम होता है, उस नाम के बाद में वायरस बोलना या फिर मेंशन करना, इट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. सो the species name should consist few words, and after these few words virus should be consisted. A species name must provide an appropriately unambiguous identification of the species. मतलब जो भी हम species name देते हैं, that species name should clear all the identification ideas of that species, हर इंडिविजुअल वायरस जो होता है, that individual virus is a physical entity and treated as belonging to the number of taxa to the hierarchical level. मतलब depending on the hierarchical level, the naming of the virus is done. For example, at the end of genus of viruses, the word viridae should be mentioned. While classification of viruses at till the species and genus level, the ranking is very important. मतलब while giving the hierarchical classification, the classification up till species level of any particular virus is mandatory. And these classifications should be approved by the ICTV. The species name should be in the italic form, in which the first letter of the first word should be capitalized and all the letters should be in the small form और should not be capitalized. किसी भी species का नाम लिखते वक्त वायरस का, that should be compulsory in the italic form while typing or in printed form. And if that name is given in the handwritten form, then it should be underlined separately. So these are all the rules about the classification and nomenclature of viruses set by the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Thank you.